Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Few days back Tencent released the beta version of PUBG Mobile, which is the 0.13, and in this video, we will show you what's new in this beta release. So first of all, if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon and join our notification squad. PUBG Mobile 0.13 beta version is now available for both Android and iOS. And if you want to download it right now, then do check the link to our website in the description below, where we have a detailed information on changes and how you can download and play it right now. So first thing you will notice when you open the game is that there is a crossover of the PUBG Mobile and Godzilla. There are new events based on Godzilla theme, and I'm sure you will get rewards upon completion of certain tasks. And we can also see in the avatar menu that there are few of these new Godzilla avatar available. In the settings, we now have the separate control settings for the first person and the third person, which is actually very good. And in the pickup section, we can see the new SMG Bison is now available, but I tried to find the gun in the match and in the training grounds, but it wasn't available. Apart from that, we have new results emoticon, which will be for the MVP at the end of the match. And now there are two more set of voices added, apart from the default two voices.
I'm going in first, as usual. I'll get the gun. I'll go around. Wait for my call. I only have a pan. Does someone have a gun?
Help! I'm hurt! Something doesn't feel right. Let's move together. It's been marked. Let's go. Check for enemies before going for the airdrop.
Talking about the gameplay, we now have the same 4 vs 4 team deathmatch mode available, which we have previously seen in the Game for Peace. So those of you who don't know about Game for Peace, it's the PUBG Mobile, which is renamed and rebranded only for China. And guys, if you want to know more about Game for Peace, then do check the video link in the description below. Now about this 4 vs 4 mode, it's actually very interesting and I really like playing it again and again. And basically, there are two teams, red and blue, and the team whosoever achieve more kills before the time runs out or achieve the 40 kills target wins the round. And I personally think that this mode is introduced because of the COD Mobile, where we have similar team deathmatch mode available. And guys, if you have played the COD Mobile, do tell us your favorite in the comment section below.
Cover me. Kill. Reloading.
Talking about more changes, in the Erangel map, we have this giant Godzilla footstep, which indicates that in the future updates, there'll be something interesting coming up. Some players I know also said that they have seen the Godzilla-like figure nearby the sea area in the military zone. And finally, we have the updated zombie mode, and there are few changes in that. And starting with the new location near mansion, we now have the helipad, and you will also notice new zombies in the match. So the previous zombies such as Tyrant, Licker and Zombie Cop is no longer available. The biggest change however is the Tyrant, and the boss is changed from Tyrant to a new character Pieman. Apart from that, there are under the hood changes which will make the game less laggy, and hopefully we will see less glitches and bugs in this update. Till now I find this update pretty smooth and there were no issues at all, apart from few people trying to hack the beta version, as in this PUBG can't ban you, which is really sad, but I don't know why people ruin the whole gaming experience. So guys, these were some of the changes we know so far in the upcoming PUBG 0.13 update. Do tell us if you like these new modes and changes, and what you like most about this update in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.